Today, we are here to discuss Lipo Lab fat dissolver injections. Lipo Lab fat dissolver injections offer a revolutionary approach to non-surgical body contouring and fat reduction. With a commitment to safety, non-invasive procedures, and client satisfaction, Lipo Lab has garnered recognition and trust from both medical professionals and clients worldwide. In this video, we're going to break down what Lipo Lab injections are and how to use them. We will also explore some before and after pictures to show you more clearly what incredible outcomes can be achieved with Lipo Lab. So, what are Lipo Lab fat dissolver injections? Lipo Lab is a cosmetic product used to melt subcutaneous fat, and it is injected directly into the subcutaneous tissue, where it dissolves and destroys the fat cells by breaking them down. The product contains only the best PCC ingredients, and its PLLA and PDRN are guaranteed to be safe and effective. Not only does the product target stubborn fat, but it also enhances the elasticity of the skin, encourages collagen production, and tightens the natural curves of the body. As of 2017, Lipo Lab has upgraded its own ingredients to mix three technologies: carnitine, hexapeptide, and palmitolpeptide. Carnitine helps to reduce body fat, hexapeptide aims for wrinkle and elasticity improvement as well as wound healing, and palmitolpeptide promotes cell formation and tissue healing. Lipo Lab has plenty of amazing qualities. It's pain-free, odorless, non-pigmental, and cost-effective. It also guarantees fast results in fat reduction, but also targets wrinkle reduction and aging prevention. But how does it work? First, it destroys the membranes of fat cells and lets break in and dissolve fat cells. Secondly, L-carnitine exhausts those dissolved fat cells out of the body. And lastly, sodium hyaluronate maintains the elasticity of the parts where fat cells are removed and deters the resilience of fat cells. Commonly targeted areas of Lipo Lab are the double chin, armpits, forearms, chest, back, abdominal region, ribs, and love handles, hips, and thighs. Lipo Lab should never be used in places where there are joints and nerves and where the muscles are concentrated, like the knees or ankles. Another great benefit of Lipo Lab is that it doesn't need to be stored in the refrigerator, and clients never need to worry about the risk of infection. Each box of Lipo Lab includes 10 10ml vials that should be used 24 months after the manufacturing date. Now that we have a better idea of what Lipo Lab is, let's take a look at how to use it for optimal results. When using a cosmetic or aesthetic product, it is always important to carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions. Let's look at how to use Lipo Lab. Shake the vials well to ensure that the liquid is mixed. No residue or deposit particles should be stuck to the bottom of the vial. Taking a 12 to 13 mm needle, inject 0.15 to 0.2 cc per injection point with 1 cm interval. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day at 10 to 15 day intervals. For thicker areas, a longer needle will be required. In the case of abdomen and waist procedures, inject 0.2 to 0.4 cc in one spot before moving on to the next. The space between injections should be half an inch or a centimeter apart. Clients can consume a total of 2 to 5 PPC vials at a time, depending on their obesity degree. Always consult with a medical professional if you're unsure how to consume. In the case of double chin, armpit, upper arm, and thigh, the injection quantity should also be regulated according to the obesity degree of the specific area. When it comes to post-treatment care, there are several important factors to take note to ensure the best possible results. As PPC treatments consume a vast amount of water, patients are always required to drink as much lukewarm water as possible before and after the treatment. In addition, avoid exercise and take a sufficient amount of rest for up to 2 weeks. If there are raised or bumpy areas on the body where the solution did not reach properly, PPC cream can be used to help streamline the results. You might be wondering about side effects. Overall, Lipo Lab is an extremely safe product to use as it is made from high-quality ingredients. However, there may be a chance that some customers will experience side effects. A high dosage may cause diarrhea and vomiting. Many patients who experience these side effects also have a fear of needles. This in turn may lead to dizziness or an upset digestive tract. If you find yourself experiencing these symptoms for more than a couple of days after the treatment, consult a medical professional at the earliest possible convenience. In addition, fat cells swell after an injection, which can lead to dizziness stemming from low moisture in the blood. So in order to prevent this, patients should drink a lot of water before and after that treatment. Another possible side effect is local inflammation. This is a side effect that patients should be very cautious about. Please consult a medical professional immediately if you experience local inflammation. Thirdly, some female patients experience irregular menstruation. Those experiencing irregular menstruation patterns should know that a change in the body's natural patterns is likely due to fat-dissolving treatments expediting the secretion of estrogen, which is contained in fat cells. This isn't a major concern, and there should be no other issues apart from temporary discomfort. Additionally, too many injections can lead to overpigmentation. The skin should return to normal unless melanin in the dermis layer is exposed to sunlight for an extended period of time. Like most needle injections, bruising is a common side effect, and this effect is nearly inevitable. But bruising should go away naturally between 7 and 10 days. Finally, we have blisters. Blisters may form when wearing tight clothes for a long time. For around 2 weeks after the treatment, patients are recommended to not wear tight clothing. If you are experiencing any other side effects not listed here, or if your side effects have lasted longer than a few days, please consult a medical professional at the earliest possible convenience. Even when we are confident that a product is safe and high quality, one of the biggest reassurances is before and after pictures. Let's take a look at Lipo Lab before and after photos at the 4 most common regions: abdominal, stomach, chin, and full body. Up first is the lipo abdominal region. Here we can see a photo of the abdominal region following 2 injections of 10 ampoules. The overall size reduction came out at a loss of 4.2 inches. The photo of the back is following 3 injections of 3 ampoules. We can see the body's natural line begin to form after breaking down fat around the upper waist area. Most patients show 1 to 2 inches of size reduction following 1 injection, with the highest result being 4 inches of reduction. Following the PPC injections, both the abdomen and back patients used PPC cream for better results and a more natural-looking body line. Secondly, the Lipo Lab stomach results. Lipo Lab targets not only stubborn lower stomach fat, but also fat around the edges and top of the stomach. The client's abs will be more defined, and an overall flatter appearance can be achieved. As the abdomen is a thicker area, it is recommended to double-check the dosage with a medical professional. A thicker needle may also be required depending on the area of obesity. Thirdly, there are results of Lipo Lab on the chin area. The amount of fat stored in the chin varies from person to person, so it is important to first discuss with a medical professional the dosage that should be applied to injections in this region. As seen in the photo, chin injections not only help to remove stubborn fat, but also help with facial contouring. In this case, the Y shape of the chin and jaw area have become elongated for a slimmer, more youthful appearance. Lastly, you can see Lipo Lab used on the full body. Yes, it's true. Lipo Lab can be used on numerous areas of the body for a complete makeover. The dosage per area should be discussed in advance with a medical professional. In addition, be sure to allow proper healing time between each operation. Lipo Lab full body will not only reduce in a wide range of areas, but will also make the curves and lines of the body natural. To avoid any bumpiness, be sure to use PPC cream after the treatment to break down the remaining solution. We hope you were able to learn something new today about Lipo Lab, a popular and safe way to reduce stubborn fat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest cosmetic products. Thanks for watching!